Hi everyone, getting started with JavaScript as well as input and output. So the first thing that you need to do is you want to create a HTML file. In this case, we can start with creating txt file and rename the file as well as the extension into HTML. If you don't see the extension on Windows, you can go to View and then Options and then press View and then untick the hide extensions for known file types. Then press OK to proceed and then edit the file with your favorite text editor, and we are going to put it side by side with Google Chrome because we'll run this on Google Chrome and you can use other browsers as well. And then we want to start with the basic structure of HTML, which includes HTML tag and then head and then body. Right, so you're going to put the JavaScript inside the head and then inside the script tag. Okay, you can indent it like this, or you can just push everything to the left. Next, we're going to type our very first output. We are going to use alert, hello world. So basically it will show a pop-up. And another type of output will be console.log, hello world. So just to differentiate, you're going to put console there. And then you can run this HTML file on Google Chrome by dragging it to Google Chrome, and then it will show the pop-up hello world, which is coming from alert. And if you want to show the console.log, you're going to press inspect and then console, and then you will see the output there. So every time you are making changes to the file, you're going to press the reload button. Next, we want to talk about inputs. So the very basic one will be confirm, which is to show you a sentence, and then the user will need to press yes or no, or OK cancel, depending on the browser. So we put a sentence here, are you sure? And then we are going to use some condition to check whether the user presses the OK button or the cancel button. Okay, so we'll talk about conditions and variable in the later videos. So here we put alert thanks for confirmation if the user presses OK, and we put it's OK if the user presses cancel. Okay, and then we want to try it. We want to reload the page again. Okay, hello world, are you sure? We press OK, then it will say thank you for confirmation, and then otherwise it will say it's OK if we press cancel. Next, another type of input will be prompt. In this case, we want to ask the user a question, and the user will need to type in anything they want. So in this case, we want to ask for their name. Okay, and then we keep it in a variable called name, and then we print it back to the user just to make sure that it works. Okay, we reload again. Are you sure? And then it will ask your name. We type in, for example, John, press OK, and it will say your name is John. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video.